Hello and welcome to another session from Learn Digital Academy. This one we are going to learn YouTube. YouTube is the most happening platform. Any trailers launched, any music video, any dance videos, you're cooking, traveling, doing anything, you can upload it all to YouTube. People often come from all over the world to watch videos over here. So let us learn how to create a channel on YouTube and how we can optimize it. Well, if you have a Gmail ID, automatically a channel would be there for you. So you just have to go into this section here. Click upon your channel. If it is not, will find the option to create a channel too, which is pretty much easy. Once you reach here, you can choose to customize your channel. Now, once you reach up to this section, you have to take care of your channel by naming it or by uploading a fine picture also. The branding for your channel. Change or remove the image. The basic information that you must give about what kind of videos will be available on your channel. Once you have done all these settings, you must go into create a video, upload videos, select files from here. You can choose any file which you would want to upload. You can give the title over here where you have only 100 characters. While the description has more than 5,000 characters. So you can define it well over here what people can expect from the video, or you can define it in detail.